Hello people, you are welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you real quick how to stabilize a shaky image in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do as your image look this shaky, let me just give a playback. You can see how my image look very shaky as we never shot it with the runner. But today I'm just going to show you this secret on how to stabilize your image. So the first thing I did, I went to my effect panel, type warp stabilizer, and you got it right here. Drag and drop it on your image. Boom. So first thing it's gonna do is just gonna try to give some analyzement to your video to see where the video was most shaky and try to adjust it. It's just gonna wait for some time, and after that, boom, your image is gonna look perfect. You can see the counting numbers, and when you get to 100%, your image is stabilized. Yeah, we are right there, guys. Alright, you can see your video is now okay. Let me just give a playback so that you can see it for yourself. So this is how you can apply it to all your videos and you get the smooth image like it was shot with a runner. Adobe Premiere Pro gave us the opportunity to do that on the software. So please, if you like this video, kindly share this video, subscribe to this channel. If you are new to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any video coming from this channel. Why not give a solid comment down below and hit the like button. Boom. Alright guys, see you next time.
Fine boy, no money. Fine boy, fine boy, no money. Fine boy, you be the only one. When if you make me go astray, you be the only one. We don't make me. I go fight for you. I go fight for your man.